you are entering the second invoice for the purchasing of pencils, mechanical pencils, for the second 50 that has been delivered. So now you will go under material management, and again you will choose logistics, invoice verification, document entry, and enter an invoice. Your company code is C1 and then the last 2 digits of your number. Then you're asked to enter the invoice date, which is today, and to enter the purchase order. Then you have the second amount. You will enter the amount here, 630. And here it's invoice 0515 -170. Click enter. And your balance is 0. You will simulate. And you can see now that you have a balance of 0, that you have been debited for 630 and credited for the same amount. So everything looks fine. You're going to post. That brings you to the second invoice number that you need to capture. So now we want to post payment to the vendor. We want to pay the vendor the two invoices. So we'll go under accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, and outgoing payment. One post, and we'll put today's date. And the amount is 1260. First it's 170, the account number. The amount is $1,260. And the text should be that these are like for the invoices, for the 2 invoices. Now you need to select the vendor account number. Search term is 170, and you're selecting specialty pen. And process open items. These are the items that have not been paid, and you can see you have 2 documents for each for $630. So we have them both. So now you're applying it to both of them. Okay, so now when you double click them, they are selected. The not assigned should be 0. And go ahead and save. And again, you get a message that you will display. We want to now show the vendor line items. So we go up. And this time we want to show the balance for a specific vendor. We want to choose the vendor. It's Specialty Pens 170. And the company code is C170, and it is this year. And execute. And we can see that it has been debited for 1260 and credited for 1260 because we've already purchased and paid for the purchase. So we'll go to display the purchase order history to see now that it has already been paid. So we'll go this time under purchasing. And you can see you have now 2 goods receipt and 2 invoices. You can see that it has already been paid. And same thing for the second goods receipt. So you can see that we had like 2 deliveries, 50 for each. We want to now display the general ledger account.